and welcome to this special video that I have decided to make here, since I have actually basically figured out deeper secrets of meditation. So I think it's actually important for everybody to understand how simple it really is, and the dynamic of how you are basically always meditating. So the secret of meditation is basically to start meditating properly and basically as often as possible, to where you're able to actually do it most effectively. So meditation comes in a lot of forms. I mean, there's sleep meditation. That's when you're correcting your sleep schedule. In my previous video, I explained how to train yourself to go to sleep and wake up so you can program yourself. So another thing about meditation is how there's all sorts of different ways to meditate and different types of meditation, but it's important that you meditate. So first of all, when you start dealing with something like meditation, you definitely need to understand, like, what is it for and what is it going to do for me. So what is it going to do and what is it for and how do you do it is a few things. First of all, meditation comes in the form of clearing your mind and basically getting that focus to where you can actually truly start understanding whatever it is you're kind of meditating on. So I found a more beneficial way to explain it is it's like a computer. It's exactly like a computer. So basically, when you're thinking information, you're writing information into your hard drive and installing information to your hard drive. So it's important to understand that, hey, you shouldn't always be thinking and installing information to your hard drive, to your computer, to your operation. So that's where you kind of let it all sink in, and then meditation comes at the point where you let your operation process, and it's basically like running the software on a computer after it's installed. So meditation is about not installing new software and running the current software that you already have installed. The benefits of doing meditation properly is, first of all, it's very dangerous if your mind isn't in a clear state of mind. So that's what it's about, is keeping your mind in a clear state of mind so you can focus, make the right choices. So that's how you do it. And why you do it? Because you're naturally going to be able to be sharper, more productive. Everything will be a lot easier. And there's so many more things going on with meditation, probably better memory, all sorts of other benefits like that. So that's basically the main secret of meditation. Now that you know the operation of meditation, you can go look up other videos on meditation to find certain techniques, which I will upload techniques for this, but this video is the introduction and the overview of its origins and existence of its phenomenon and how it should be looked at. So I will have to wrap this video up, and to sum up this video, with true meditation, you just take that moment of silence and then just of rest, to where you just stop thinking and rest. Another nice little formula that I recommend for meditation is, like, if you're learning in college, to basically learn information for about 5 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. You kind of want to match it 1-to-1 for the information that you're learning and taking in, because it gets written into your brain a lot more effectively. And that's going to wrap this video up. Good luck with all your meditational experiences and training and techniques. Hope that's enough to help, and really wanted to test out making out, my first new edited video for this. So we'll check it out, see how it works.